Top 10 Trailblazers of USA. There are many trailblazers who have had a significant impact on the United States. Here are 10 notable examples. George Washington, first President of the United States. Abraham Lincoln, 16th President of the United States, known for his role in the abolition of slavery. Susan B. Anthony, a leader in the women's suffrage movement, she fought for women's right to vote. Martin Luther King Jr., a Baptist minister and civil rights activist who played a key role in the American civil rights movement. Elvis Presley, a pioneer of rock and roll music, he is one of the most iconic and influential musicians in American history. Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the moon. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, he is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in history and a pioneer of the personal computer revolution. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, he played a key role in the development of the personal computer and the creation of the Macintosh. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, he has had a significant impact on the way people communicate and interact online. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, he is a pioneer in the fields of space exploration and electric vehicles.